Hello there, and welcome to English 123, Critical Thinking, Composition, and Literature. My name is Renato Escudero, but you can call me Rue, R-E-W, and I'll be your guide as we embark on this journey together this semester. This is my favorite class to teach because we get to engage with literary works, short stories, a long play, some poetry. We also get to read a couple of films together, and additionally, we get some academic reading as well, some literary criticism. But it should be a fun and exciting class. It is discussion heavy, so we can talk about all kinds of different possibilities, and the theme, the main theme, or shall I say, um, one of the central themes that most of these uh, works center around is social justice and equity issues. And I think it's very important today in our country to have an open discussion on these things. Um, so, anyway, I hope that you're ready. I'm not going to lie to you, it's not an easy class. You're going to have to commit to at least 6 to 8 hours outside of our regular class time per week. And if you do that, you should be okay. You might have to spend a little more time when it comes to essay writing. And this is a 100% online class. However, since it's discussion heavy, I decided that we should meet every week with synchronous meetings. So that's live meetings that will happen on Wednesday evenings. The schedule is wrong. The schedule says that it's 7:25 to 10:35 on Wednesdays. That's wrong. I shaved off 1 hour, and so it's from 7:25 to 9:35 on Wednesdays for our discussions, activities, group work, and so on. The rest of the work will be done on Canvas right here. You should be getting an email from me if you haven't already about our first day of class, and that'll give you the details to access the Zoom meeting. Okay, but for now, the next thing you've got to do is finish reading this homepage and click on the Start Here link below on the same page, and then that'll take you to the first module. And if you want to get started ahead of time, go right ahead. The modules are in sequential order, and you can navigate through. You can best navigate the class on the modules page. I'll tell you that the calendar and the dashboard on Canvas are great tools to have a bird's eye view of what's going on, but you won't be successful in the class if you don't navigate it through exclusively through the modules page, because the dashboard and other bird's eye view of the class, the dashboard and the calendar, give you only partial information. The modules page will give you all the information that you need, and the due dates will be very clear for the assignments and the readings and so on. I am looking forward to meeting all of you. I can't wait to start this class, and great. Have a great day.